Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get a free custom Discord invite link. Custom invite links help make your server more recognizable and easier to share. To create one, open Discord and go to your server name. Click on Invite to Server and copy the invite link. You can also set the invite link to never expire. Click on Copy. Fully custom vanity URLs are only available for partnered or boosted servers. However, you can still customize parts of your invite link using the free option available. Go to Chrome and search for app.bitly.com. Log in with your account. Click on Create New and select Shorten a Link. Paste the destination URL, which in this case is your Discord invite link. You cannot change the short link without a paid subscription, but you can customize the first part of the invite link. For example, you can add the first part as your personal account name. Click on Create Your Link. That's it. Your link is ready and you can copy and send it to anyone you want to invite to your Discord server. Using invite links efficiently ensures better server management and helps track new members joining your community. We learned how to generate a Discord invite link, set an expiration date, and understand the difference between free and boosted server links. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.